Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this makeup look for Valentine's Day. It's very dramatic. It's very like it's very snatched. Like the red, I think it kind of makes it look like a Valentine's Day look because this was in the center like kind of more of a red tone, but then it just kind of faded a little bit, but I'm totally fine with. I really don't care. But I think the red kind of makes that pop a little bit more than it did when I didn't have the red lippy on, if that makes sense. Also, I got a new piercing. Fun. Yeah, so I got a new piercing. I paid for it, all of it, and but I got my tragus pierced. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Tragus. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. Let me know down below. But I got my tragus pierced yesterday. When this video is going up, it's going to be a Wednesday. I'm recording it on a Tuesday, the 12th, and I got it done on the 11th. And I just love it so much. It's so cute. I have both of my cartilage pierced. This one is like a little like hoop thingy twist. I think it's like some kind of twist. I don't remember what it's called though. Something twist, something like that. And then I just have like one little gem right here. And then I have my lobes pierced. And I really want to get my conch pierced, which is like just like this right here. It goes in your ear, obviously around. It's like a hoop. Just search it, inner conch. It'll pop up. And then I also want to get my rook done, which is this piece right here. But I want to get my rook on this side and the conch on this side because I feel like this side needs something since I got this done. But yeah, so I really like how it looks. It looks so cute. I feel so cool. It's amazing. It's amazing. I really recommend getting it. But if you want to learn how to get this dramatic, fierce Valentine's Day look for like date night or whatever, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn and Morphe palette, and I'm going to be grabbing the color called Pukey, I believe it's called. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm going to take this Morphe M441 brush and just blend that into the crease as our transition shade for everything that we're going to be using. And you just really want to pack that on there and blend it out. And then I'm going to be grabbing this Revolution Reloaded palette. I forgot what it's called, but it'll be down below for you guys. Reloaded, I'm pretty sure is just a collection. That's what the name is called, Reloaded, but for the collection. But I don't remember what the palette is called, but I'm going to be putting that in my crease and also the outer part of the eye and start blowing it out. And then I'm just going to be grabbing the same palette and that black shade with a different brush. I don't remember what this brush is called, but it's just a flat, fluffy brush. And I'm just going to be blending that, packing that on the outer part of the eye. And also taking a clean brush and just blend that out. This is actually, I think the brand is called Wilton, and it's a cake company, and I saw this brush and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna use that for makeup, and it's so good, it's so bomb. And then I just took that black clean fluffy brush and blend everything out. And then I'm gonna take my foundation and just cut my crease. The name of this foundation will be down below for you guys. And then I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn palette, grab this color and a flat brush and apply that in the center kind of the eye, and just really pack that on and then blend it out with a clean fluffy pencil brush. And then I just kept blending it, and it kind of, like, the red kind of faded away. So I grabbed a different red. It's not like a red shade, but it's close to red. But I just grabbed a lighter shade and applied that there and kind of blended it out a little bit. It did kind of fade away once again, but I just kept applying and then blending, applying and blending. And then I'm going to be taking this Tartiest Pro palette, and I'm going to be grabbing the two lighter shades in the palette. that banana shade in the white and set the like the inner corner lid, the front, you know what I mean. I'm gonna set that, and also just touch my brow bone with those colors just to brighten it up a little bit, and then blend again and again and again. This look is really just about blending. Like, I'm applying more shadow and then gonna be blending it out, and just like over and over and over again. And then I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild H2O Proof Liner in black. Just do, you know, just like a wing or whatever. And then I'm going to go in with the brown. I did already go in with Pukey, the first shadow that we took in the crease, but I just forgot to like show you guys because I totally forgot that I was recording. And yeah, so I just am going to be applying every shade that we applied in the crease down on the bottom lash line. And then this is the Ulta Automatic eyeliner in black brown. And then I put some mascara on, and then also the inner corner highlight will be down below for you guys. It's also my highlight on my face, but it'll be down below for you guys. And then this is the Fenty Beauty matte lipstick in Uncensored, and then I also put mascara on. So yeah, so everything that I didn't mention or everything that I did mention will be down below. Everything will be in order, even my lashes, so make sure you go check that out. So that's the end of this makeup look. I really love how it turned out. At first I was kind of getting a little bit mad because I did kind of mess up on my concealer a little bit on this side, but I think I fixed it a little bit, just a smidge. I mean, you could still see it, but I think it's fixed a little bit, so I think we're good. I was actually going to go in with this combo right here. It's just a nude glossy combo, and it's just so bomb. This is the matte lipstick by Mellow in the color Posh, and this is the High Shine lipstick by Wet n Wild, and the color is called Send Nudes. And I just been loving the combo, but I just decided to make it the lippy red. You could put a gloss on the red, that would be really pretty, but I'm not. And yeah, because for me personally, I love the look of a red glossy lip, and I love it on me too, but just like having to make sure that it's not all the way over on my cheek or like in my hair or on my teeth or anything, it's just a lot. It's a lot to take care of, but you could totally do a gloss. It's really up to you. But yeah, so I really like this look, and I hope you guys did too. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. This is also my last makeup look for Valentine's Day, which is very exciting. I have no one to spend it with, which, you know, it's fine, you know. I'm good, I don't need anybody. And I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day tomorrow. I'm gonna be probably in bed watching Netflix by myself and snacking, and yeah. I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.